Welcome to the world of DIY transformation, where we turn thrift store finds into stunning home decor. Let's dive into today's makeover magic. First, the hunt for hidden gems in thrift stores. We're on the lookout for items like lamps, mirrors, and vases that hold potential for luxury. Pro tip, always consider the quality and the possibilities for transformation. Time to turn our finds into fabulous decor. Here's what you'll need. Spray paint. Transform items with Rust-Oleum Universal Spray Paint. Adhesive. For our paper and fabric projects, Gorilla Clear Glue is a must-have. Decorative paper. Add elegance with Royalco Decorative Hues paper. Watch as we breathe new life into these thrift store scores. Prepare to be amazed by our transformations. A chic lamp, an elegant mirror, and cohesive vases, all done affordably. This is the beauty of DIY, achieving luxury without the hefty price tag. Thank you for joining us on this DIY journey. Your support drives our passion for creativity. Eager for more? Stay tuned for our next project. Ready to start your own? Click the links in the description for all the essentials. Until next time, happy DIYing.